Okay, so I'm installing the side skirt on my McLaren. These are the tools I have used. This I bought from the Amazon, and it came with a lot of these pop rivets. And then I selected M6 because I had the screws which came with the side skirt. And these are the screws which it came with, so it fits perfectly. So what I decided is I put the side skirt, I placed the side skirt here, but before doing this I loosely attached this. Earlier I tried to install it, but it was not sticking properly, so I have just put 2 screws and put it there so I can align this so that it is parallel to this. The edge of the front side skirt comes at the right place and it's protruding as much as this one. Then I drilled the hole. I just used the DeWalt. I had DeWalt this drill bit set, and I started with the smallest one and very slowly, and it's very easy to drill a hole in it. So just a slow drill speed, and then I just increase the speed size, drill bit size. So what I used is, first one was 116, then I think I used 316, 716, then I went to 732, then I used 1/4, and then I don't think I used this one because that one was too big for this, and 3/8 was too big for this, and 5/16 was a little bit small for it. So what you have to do is you have to drill a hole large enough to stick it in there, and then you take this tool, you mount it on this like that, and then you have a hole in it, you push it in, and then you just bring 2 edges together and it causes a pop rivet function, and now it's there. I could have done holes and put a nut on the inside, but then anytime I want to remove it, I will have to remove the door panel, and I didn't want to remove the interior of it because all there has a plastic tabs and something can break. So I wanted to avoid that, and this will secure. So there are 4 areas where I had to drill the hole, but I drilled the first 2. I'm going to mount the side skirt, make sure these 2 are at the same place. What I did is I put the marking with the Sharpie, and then I put the tape around it, but actually it's not that, it doesn't slide that much or anything, but I put a little dent with this thing. Any sharp object, you just put a little dent in the paint, and then you start with the smallest drill bit. It will easily drill the hole, and hopefully, and now after this what I'm going to do is put a double-sided tape on this side and this side, and then mount the side skirt so it's secure and it doesn't create an air noise, like when the car is moving, the air is not going in here and coming out. Otherwise it might make a whistling noise.